Hi, this is Mix Wilson. Today I'm going to show you how to make a maker coin in TinkerCAD, prepare it for printing, and export it as an STL. Let's get started. Once you're in TinkerCAD, click 3D Designs, and then click Create New Design. We're going to create a coin from scratch. First, I'm going to show you how to make a basic coin, which is made by taking a cylinder and flattening it. Some great sizes for maker coins is anywhere from 25 millimeters to 40 millimeters. I'm going to make mine 40 millimeters. You can do that by, if you click on the coin, the dimensions will show up and you can type in 40. You can click and drag it larger or click a ruler, put the ruler down here, and then you'll see those dimensions show up. I'm going to make my coin a little smoother by increasing the number of sides. Be sure to play around with all of these different sliders because they can help you customize your coin. All right, so there's one basic kind of a maker coin, a basic shape you can use. I'm also going to show you how to make this shape where it's got a torus, a fancy word for like a donut shape, around the coin. So let's do that. Over here, I look for a torus in the basic shapes menu. Click and drag it in. I'm going to expand it while keeping the ratios the same, so I'm going to hold down the Shift key on my keyboard. Doing that keeps everything with the same ratios as I expand it. I'm going to expand this to be 40 millimeters wide as well. And then I'm going to adjust these shapes the way I want them. Okay, looks like I'm going to have to make this orange a little smaller. All right, I'm using my right mouse button to look around. You can also look around using the view cube over here, for example. And then I'm going to move this orange coin up. I want it to kind of be in the middle. So I'm going to click on this orange cylinder and click this black arrow teardrop shape to pull it up. All right, that looks all right. Then let's make the whole thing flat. I'm going to select everything with Control A and squish it down using this white dot. Cool. This can give your coin a really interesting shape. All right, now that we have our basic form of our maker coin, I'm going to add some decorations. There's some great ways to get decorations in TinkerCAD. We have a star, other shapes like a ring or a heart, and also this tool called the scribble. I'm going to show you how to use the scribble. Once you place it down, it's going to ask you to draw a design. I'm going to draw my initials, LP. Then you click Done. It's hiding behind my face. And then you can resize it just like any other object. If you want to keep the dimensions the same, you can hold down Shift. My cat wants to be the star. And then you can put your scribble right on your coin. This is a great way to get some custom designs. You can also make these shapes smaller. In the same way, I like to hold down the Shift key and just scale the whole shape down. And then position it where you want it, using that black teardrop to move it up. All right, so there you go, basic tutorial of a maker coin. Now it's time to export our coin. This is quite simple, actually. We just click Export up here, and then we click .stl. And that's going to download your coin. Now, you might have noticed that it gives a weird name. It might be nice to title your coin something that is useful. For me, I'm going to title it my first name, LP. The color, I want it printed because I'm sending it to my friend to print it out for me. And then that it's a maker coin. Then when you download it, it'll have the name that you want. Click Export, then STL, and now it's ready to send. Cool. Thanks for watching. Take care.